This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I've just walked into Unit 707, one of the mid-sized studios in the building. A plank flooring and very high ceilings that continue throughout the unit. Sleek kitchen with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances include a built-in dishwasher, microwave, 2-burner electric cooktop. They have 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. And then you have high windows and track lighting in the living area. It's a pretty spacious room here. Gives you some flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. Heading back toward the bath, you have a closet and a second closet. The bath has very sleek finishes, everything new. Wall-mounted medicine cabinet, a floating vanity, deep soaking tub, shelving in the tub surround for your shampoo and soap. It's an appealing package, and especially appealing if you're a budget-conscious renter who's looking for one of the most affordable new apartments in the South Loop. Definitely give 820 South Michigan a look. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.